Welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To all loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Badman. Yeah, so if this is the first time you're at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Join our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channels. So thanks for your continuous support and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yeah, so as we continue, this journey moving on. So this is part 7. You're going to hear some, vivid, you're going to hear honest conversation about, Jamaicans. So she's just sharing with the audience member, the life of living in the ghetto of Jamaica and how to, deal with these people and the intricacy and the complexities of living around these people. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Yeah, that she used to come over there because she knew my neighbor and them. And one day she could work at the school. And me and her sit down there talk and I ask her which part she used to live. I said up at Friend Street. And I said, who was the family them? And she said, Akibod. I said, so we are Akibod. All one time police are run down Akibod and him jumping at Miss Lily yard with the peer dog and we all look down the street and make the police them go down the street.
Mislead the police them.
Yeah. So she tell me say I tell her say my brother was one of the first man them killing our ambassador theater. So she said who was brother? I tell her say say a Pinchy kill him. Me say no man, them say a pops. She say me say but she depend Pinchy kill him. Cause remember them him never used to like when nobody call him that name there in the 70s.
Yeah.
When me, like him want the name for phase out, but when she tell me say him, I said no man, a Scaly, cause Scaly was the bad man. She said no, a Pinchy. Pinchy stab him. And when me check back, and when me know him in a 74, in the 70s,
a Pinchy them call.
Pinchy them call Bowser. That was his nickname.
But him not like it. Him not like the name.
He not like when they call him so.
So why them call? Can some nickname always have with something?
No, why them call him so him hide do with the fact cause it's like after that him stay in him yard and him never me don't know how it happened if I buy him bite out or them use him for kill my brother because him was a young youth at the time. Mm-hmm. When me check back from when me know him in a 72, 73 was about 24 them time. Now when me check check the time, it was like it would have been about 13, 14 so at them time then. Yeah. So me I say them man they was bigger man than him at the time. Cause my brother dead when him about 19, you know.
Yeah.
So, and the girl I tell me say, right front arm, my brother the day when when pinches stab him jump up and when him get to stab him jump up on the seat and the pan. When I see the brother, the man them stab me, give me a knife. Somebody give me a knife. Somebody she say him did a long time. I say no, see the man them stab me and give me a knife until him run to the exit and him drop down at the exit. So if him did get help, me I say any him did get help. Somebody did rush him master, maybe him wouldn't dead because she said him dead for a while and I say, you know, give me a knife, somebody give me a knife. You know, see the man them stab me, you know, see them stab me, and then when him run off now and go to the exit, I see my mother say him drop at the exit and start and him batter on the ground till him dead. So
nobody help him.
Nobody never help him. And my sister said when she see no, she never on a red shirt, she take off the shirt and tie around him, wrap him where they cut there, where she see the blood that come from. So it look like after that now him, you know, like him know said because for them family close together from back then, you know. And everybody will know keep it top secret. Nobody talk about that. You know, say the same thing. That's what I tell you say. Karma is a bitch. You know, say the same thing happen to him picnic. Him son, him two son, them not again. Me just tell you say one police kill the big one. But the reason why the big one, because if him in the garden, the police them would kill him. The reason why him come out a garden, them kill him brother in a garden and nobody him no know who do it. All him investigate. Him can't know. Nobody now tell him who kill him brother. Yeah, so you see, karma is a bitch and him sick and nearly near him shit. Him
suffer before him not dead.
Yeah. I'm friend me here say him sister tell me say I'm friend going at the house and see him. Man got down and sick and take a hose, wash him off and carry him down the hospital when them admit him. Him have what they call it, the aneurysm. Like them say any them operate pan him a go dead and if him not operate pan him a go dead because him weak out, him not have no food in him body. Him not have no strength. So them just leave him till him just dead.
So when him dead?
Let me see, him dead but let me see, maybe in Florida when me hear say him dead. I was a year that you know not 10 years, either 7 or 8 years ago him dead.
Them all you see like say them all live favor and them thing there, you understand? But they must know say enough. Your time are coming.
Yeah, there's that thing when them say it we can ever pronounce the word inevitable.
Yeah man, you pronounce it correct man, inevitable.
That thing, that is a must.
Yeah man, it's appointed to man to die once man. You can't escape that.
Mankind is so wicked against them one another. They are so wicked and now them get more wickeder because why me think the people them so wicked and the killer them, everybody so wicked, you know. When you see them at Jamaica and everybody is with a cup in them and you know, drink this damn thing when they am bum and
Mali. Mad and every time I see it still doing them, I say, all them people that come by this thing with this like a plastic cup and
the split in a eggnog in them lip.
Yeah, I know with that one them thing. You know, oh Jamaica, oh we stay so we have the best water and I drink bottled water. Oh, I mean I say when me I grow we don't know the mess where I drink out of pipe, where I drink pipe water.
Because them a copycat. Jamaica is copycat and to them I will listen one news broker that say he might change the penalty for killing and them something. A long time them for do that shit.
Him weak no man, you have to, between me and you still doing it. You know, may I tell you this straight up, you know. When me really I look for go and I can't. You know, said there's no difference. It's just that, alright, as one of my cousins say on them thing there, you have some teeth and them teeth brawling, but you have some teeth where them teeth have and them have mercy. Me say where you get that from? Him say him say I saw them steer. You understand what I'm saying?
They have some teeth, man, the teeth and left something back for
Yeah, him say,
Some teeth
yeah.
and creep everything.
Yeah, man, him say some thief a thief for you, man, brawling, and say some of them have mercy. Me say, which part of thief have mercy? Him say, yeah, man, yeah. Me say, me never, at first, me, hey, you can't, hey, me I tell you, say, you can't too old for, me never hear nothing like that, you tell him, me say, me laugh till me weak. The man say, yeah, him say, boy, some thief, yeah, man, them, when them a thief, man, I never say, boy, some of the thief, them come like, it's like when them a thief, some of them use some use are paid when them a thief like you understand, and some use spoon. I say we get them him say boy I tell them man, hey them still low enough. If you look still
you see the Mali thing you know, me don't know where the Mali cause them say I want pill. But the sports drink itself is a something where make you hype up in a car. Remember one time I got the gym and my sister-in-law said if I drink Red Bull. The night when me drink that, but I tear down the weights them in the gym. When I come up about a month straight, me not sleep. Yeah. So when you drink sport drink, you're supposed to work out for alleviate all of them.
For burn out all of them things.
Burn up back all of that thing in there, and plus them a drink it with the white rum straight. Plus them a smoke the weed. So in a them head, you know that them feel like if them say God, them would kill him.
Yeah man, them crazy. Hey, and I went you know so right now in Africa. You know so right now in Africa, you know what them do? Them you see you know so the bone of people dead in a Sierra Leone, you know. The bone of the dead people, them in the people, them are real the cemetery, them in the cemetery, them in Africa, you know, and I smoke it, you know. Can I give them a I tell you, man, right now, man, in Africa.
Now, me know, say from long time, them a put up here, them a use the embalm fluid and a mix the weed, and
it did reach Jamaica, too, man.
Make them look like zombie when them smoke it.
It did reach Jamaica, man.
Why me not put them in my body?
Yeah, man, it did reach Jamaica, man.
Remember one time them have another something named 5 Hour Energy. I live in Brooklyn, I got a gym at Church Avenue there. I see the girl them I drink it. I start drink it and it make me give me a good little buzz for workout and thing. 3 months, cause like I drink it every morning, you know. You say for about 3 months, I just look up in the ceiling every night. I don't sleep. Every night, becoming like a zombie. So
you stop drinking?
What do you mean? Me tell my daughter first, and my daughter say, I'm just drink some, me not drink the whole bottle. I'm say, hey.
Yeah, quite nice, man. Them think it's addictive, you know, man. I saw them think next day.
No, but if you work out, you get energy for work out, you know. But you see,
if you don't work
it don't come in like it don't come out of me, you know.
Hello, you work it out.
It don't come out of my system because for about 3 months straight, me just look up in the ceiling at night time. I can't sleep. Me said, no, sir, I can't drink this. Me not drink it again. And I asked the girl them in the dream. I said, when I don't drink it, I don't sleep. Them say, yeah. I said, they know it don't make me sleep.
Well, because you know I burn it out on them thing there.
When I work out, we come them time I had to 2 up on the treadmill, 2 up on the bike, 2 up on this, 2 up.
So you have only time, man, for spend them hours there at the gym.
Yeah, them time they me used to work weekend.
Oh, okay.
So I have the whole week to work out.
I like the Sims and Harry Bungles in a big friend in it. Why do you say that eradication, you know?
But I know who was in friend, you know, because I don't like some in relationship. It was like a their relationship. They just know him.
So it was like a buck-up thing and with the and him.
Yeah, it was like him, you know, one day him called me and said me and him, you know, me things are reason, me and him are reason. Next thing, one thing lead to another, and the family man done, man say, yeah, breathe, you know, me say, me not breathe, I know me have Paul, me can't believe that I was foolish. Me say, my God, me say, make him believe that one sex breathe somebody, so. I lied to everybody. Like I don't know, same have more than one woman. I can't take man where I'm one and
I saw it always going. I saw it going. As police and bad police and them thing. I saw it always going them thing there. But I just you have to know where you are doing them thing there.
Just like my vibes and thing, but I couldn't know them, Baba.
Well, hey, look. As we say them thing, just like how you have a brother, just like how you have a brother and him I just saw me stay on him thing there as police. Because enough time a woman cause police to lose him life and a woman make him lose him life.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Yeah, man.
Because him used me and him know them. I live up a jungle. One day I'm gonna drive him police car.
Yeah, man. Him used to have a keep on care car, you know. Cause through my a big police and an ordinary detective still though, you know.
Mm-hmm. Well, him gonna come and ask my niece him buck up in there, but my niece I wasn't an idiot, although she that little girl. Just said me don't know nobody name so. So when me come the evening, she say, one car load of police. First she tell me say a car load of police come and look for me. Me say, oh, me know how. So then I got on a told me say, don't try that again, you know.
People go say
them come kill off me and my family.
Say so informer. Ghetto people are some idiot people them still though, you know. Yeah, man.
When this man there, where ma come and look for me up a jungle for?
Well, between you don't know. Hey, sometime I saw police there and them thing there. You see true, you did have a thing and him just see like I saw it come on.
Him just said love enough of himself and like him when him about their female, him could have protect me.
So you never the guy in funeral?
No, sir. Me up here when him dead. Me never go at the funeral.
So how much youth him dead left?
6.
I want if the government take care of them and them thing there.
Yeah, man, everybody get their money. My son him get free money and blow it. The whole of them, all the house sell and the whole of them get even money.
Why? And the police and them
would I get more if I'm dead pan duty, you know.
Yeah, man, yeah. Boy, me glad say not never do me and them thing there still. I mean, I want police when he and Bobby Reds or used to work. And we two are we alone get no shot, you know. Everybody else get shot. I want to get shot dead, you know. Me and Bobby, man.
Well, yeah, for glad, my son. Me have a cousin or a soldier. Him do him time in there and come out. And come after it.
But it corrupt still though. Just like what you say on them thing there, cause I don't know if you know this police will come from Johnson and Derek Powell. Him and George Pang a friend to you know and one name. I don't know if you know Moti Scott from Maya Street. He must police too.
I know used to see police back in the day. Cause one night my sister come tell me say them kill a soldier pan our Rima man it fire shot and kill something like that.
Who you attack? That's in the 70s you attack Errol?
No man. When we go up a jungle go live man, cause me do over jungle and she come tell me say them kill a soldier, see down a Rima and fire shot and kill one. And a peer soldier run go down from in the open land. The whole of the people that night I think they made kill Red Tony.
Oh.
Here's the whole of Rima for I me pen the whole of them did end up.
Them have to run.
Yep. Here's the sister say appeared so the soldier chuck them a drive down and the soldier jump out tight and I run straight down in a Rima to where we call down the
No man's land.
No man's land.
Hey, you know, so the first time I got Rima when me a police, me used to stay up right up when no man's land. Me don't know if it, and the first person who go to jail and no man's land in a copy brother when he and Blue Boy, you know. He did get gun, you know, from police, from the 2 police them, you know, so them did want back the gun, because you know, the man have to bring in back gun, and he not bringing back film gun. And I saw him end up down a no man's land, so we go there and go look for him and them thing, I look through his fence. As a little boy, I just look down. Yeah, man.
Some mark run up and down in a room, man. So one time, remember when we used to go buy Simil Corona, where Trenchtown's library used to be on Spanish Town Road, there's a front of me pen. We have see I got it built a little park. I think the park's still there, you know, right front across from me pen there. And me in there, I want to go up on the seaside. So
that's at the park up on Spanish Town Road.
One little boy upon the seesaw, me just come out and gather some stone and fling beer stone in there, but me see when me look one crowd and run me down, me run it right in a little King Street, so where Ken Mood yard, where you know me with my dress, me can live in the Auntie Cynthia and all that. All of them live on Melcar Street, but them had moved down there. And I two gate the yard, I mean, but them look like the crowd never realized I two gate the yard have. And me run, and when me in the Auntie City, them I said, what you do? They said, the boy, them a trouble me have a fling stone and chop one of them, and them say, oh, you go get out here. When me run, go to the other side now to East Road. Nobody no run there, so me just open the gate and run up East Road and run up Melcar Street and run up.
You don't go back down there?
Me don't go back down there.
I said,
go back down there. Them no remember me.
Well, hey, still doing it. Well, hey, still doing it. You know, so Ghetto is a university itself, you know, man.
I tell you.
I remember one time we have the big tree down a park, man, downtown in a St. William. You could go there and play, as a youth, you play marble with everybody from Tivoli, Rima, out of East, and when I play marble, a man play fear, you know, man. No man no fight, and, you know. But
I remember back in the days, you could have walked, but anyway, we used to take the bus, go out from town, go. We are park trench town.
And Papi in attack X77 and 99 and
take the bus, go we around town for Sunday day and come back.
Yeah, man, around the world. Hey, boy, hey, Ghetto, still, you know, is that anybody will come from Ghetto and you live in a first world country and you can't survive, you're born fool. You understand? Once you come from Ghetto and them thing there, and you live in a first world country and you can't survive, them say you did born fool and them thing there. You understand? And you know, say education is paramount. Because once you have education, remember saying ignorance are burden, you know, man. Education rule the world, you know. You understand? But you know, Ghetto, you know, my mother said Ghetto mean get out, you know, man. Right. Yeah, man. Get out, man, and you understand? Just like what you say on them thing there, you know, with this kettle them and them thing there. You can't live in the ghetto and you know, be ghetto fabulous, you know. True. Well, you can't live in the ghetto and you know, he's not a part of the ghetto, you just know you live in there. But look here, between me and them thing there, nobody can say you come from like Carol now, you know, Willie I got baby mother. And not because she come from ghetto, you know, because she illiterate, you know that. And that, no, I just saw. Why is she illiterate? Them girl used to go to school. You know, I mean, really, you know, sir, it's not every educated person is intelligent too. I know, say, although I say, I know, so she act when she grew up. I know, so she used to act. I know, but look how me talk for over 3 hours. Up to now, you don't use one curse word. That's for sure. I can't curse. No, but that's for sure your intelligence and them thing. You are from the ghetto, you know, but you know how to be. You know how to communicate with people. You understand? Well, me kind of understand fair perspective of where she come from, you know, cause remember say she sees something and it pretty and say her baby father this and she, you know, she express herself and I make you know say I know so her baby father is not. Hey, but she never did know. She apparently she never did know on them thing. They say him used to do the old man them where them are for the gang are rapist them. Well, him did their own. I know so him used to pirate the them and thing and they used to run with. Cause so me know him when the new album them used to come back down a girl in street. But me don't know what them do at daytime and when them a walk. Me hear them say them are rapists. You know you can't hear them say DNA. Well I mean no DNA a rape cause anybody more land pan. Man take them away. And them say strong you know man. And jungle and them man, they will go and pay and riff. But me turn up at my gate. I don't know if I should know my family, them also him never trouble me yet. But always I laugh and I say, Browning, go in your bed. If I stand up at my gate and I look out and I see them a pass, sometimes I see my pass and them say, Brown as you know, go in your bed. But none of your children them not mix up on them thing they do.
My children, them coming from them little, you know.
So no, them not get themselves wind up on them thing. They when the police and them something.
Remember, see, me have 3 sons up here.
We're born up here.
Yeah, and we have the one in the army. Him born when I made a fair run within a 1980 election.
I'm still in the army up here?
Then lady. And I not really in the army, the National Guard.
I still am, man. National, come in the military.
The same kind of training.
Yeah, man, I see him.
Then lady son now.
The place on him thing there.
I see him there. I one of the people. Hey, when we live out Florida, I go live now. Me meet one guy from Payne Avenue. We meet like come round my baby father and love hang out on me and him always I say him mother send for everybody and not send for him. And anytime him brother and him get bus. Anytime him get bus, him I go send for him brother. And after a while, you know, things go down and me never there on and him used to link my sister in last year and so and one day she say him used to bring her money come here and everything and one day she did there waiting till I say him come through. Him come down cause New York I used to doing business and him I bring the money come and she did there wait and she call and she know that she'll get mad and I said Joseph broke her foot. And she have a number, see me, and about a year after, she said she just take up the phone and call him, and his sister answer the phone.
Same did.
And yeah, she said, and she tell him, say the brother, the same brother where him send for kill him for $500, give him 5 shots.
Bombard.
His mother no say him is a wicked. That's nobody in the family never send for him. Him the only one always I say when him get possible and him did help get link and send for the brother.
Why?
And the brother kill him for $500. But them say him because the sister will tell my sister and I say him it's stubborn still, you know, because him have a knife and the brother have a gun and him have asked him, got try and send for him and whatever I must. And I remember my family roll a 1 hour. I must say, pussy, give me money. And he must say, so him a walk up to him with a knife, him a shoot him. The first shot him get on him knee. And him still a walk and go up to him. You can't do that. You back down. For you see him shoot you one time, back down.
No, the reason why I think so, him in a fee himself, him expect him brother to have some form of loyalty to him because him bring him come here. But when I understand that Jamaican people have loyalty. Yeah, man. You know, say you would just don't feed them and them kill you though.
And then that me tell my niece when she got mix up with jungle people, but she got jungle go there with man.
Nah, man.
They when they all have all the food in their mouth, where you give them and
them kill them, man. Yeah, man. Me know that. Hey, alright. You know that guy used to live in a ghetto. You know say every day and you know all the food, the ghetto staple and them thing there. You know say morning say all one tea bag share for all 5 people and them thing there. You know that.
We don't know that one there.
Oh yes, man. I saw it going to get to my alright. So you know say anytime you're a family, you know, if all on a Thursday your mother cook rice and peas and beef, steak. You know say people in the yard beg should have just said that. You know that? Allow me to tell?
Whenever I used to live in a tenant yard, I live in a girl and street was the whole family, peer family living at the yard.
Boy, when you live in a tenement yard, man, I saw it go on them thing, man. Yeah, man, because just
we hear about them thing, and the thing I mean, I like it, I get to them. Everybody have to know them. Some of them go a town, go buy something, them have to show it, and I like them vulgar speak.
And one thing on them something, you live in a ghetto, you know, left your clothes out on the line in the night.
And your shoes and them
some wicked people, you know, and people that think that you know, all like human and lie, you know, man. Them not ram for them man born, you know.
One thing we know when we live at Jonestown, a pure bad word you hear morning time, all over jungle, the bad word wake you up, bad word put you to bed.
A true man, BRC, them not cuss it like regular people, you know. You know, so them all treat to it, you know, BRC, I tell you, man, you understand?
You know, and when we come at Curling Street, come live. Me wouldn't call this or Ghetto. I wouldn't call because when we go up at Jonestown up the nice.
That's in the 70s that did nice, them man. A residential
area. All the business place, them on Oxford Street, Price Street.
Oxford Street, my man, you know.
You have all the business place them up there. They do nice when you go up at Jonestown, the ice factory, Mr. Mattis, ice place. They don't got.
I remember Robbie who have a shop on Pencil Street. Him daughter live up in New York, Margaret.
I don't know a lot of people from where Jones. I know their face, but I don't know them fine. I remember when me living at the border at Denham Town, called Trinity Lane at Denham Town. Down Likamora Anna Town, and wish for address at Jonestown. So we then at the border. I
don't know if you hear about a man that come from him come from Trenchtown in Bulla. And did eat off a man shop on them thing there. You ever hear about it? Yeah man, him and Badman grew up together, man. Him live at Chicago now, man. A man named Bulla, man. Him man eat up. Well, he was a contractor on them thing. Remember say them time the American vehicle them have a Jamaican. You remember them time there? A big vehicle them, man. A automatic, You remember them vehicle there? You remember American vehicle them? Where them used to drive? Yeah man, the man shop down at Trenchtown, man. Him a contractor and man have McEwen and all kind of thing and drug and stout and all it. And man bet him $200 same can eat it. And from the eat off the man shop, the man mash up, man. Eat off everything. Yeah man, everything. Eat off and drink up. And from that the man mash up, man. I remember man name and them thing there. Yeah man, Bulla mash up the man. Mash him up, man. Yeah, I tell you. Hey, get to us.
Remember when JAMAICAN man living in a 1972? We have the dirt truck, the man, the sweeper used to go around and dirt. After a while, I said no dirt truck, no sweeper, dirt a pile up.
Yeah, man, that's what them time of Jamaica like we now reach to our first world status.
Right.
And then after that things will start go down. Yeah, so we have come to the end of part 7 of this series. About the life of General Starkey Cousin giving us the intimate information about what was happening back then. During the birth of criminality and when criminals were lauded, revered, celebrated, and put on a pedestal. So as you have heard, General Starkey wasn't your ordinary kind of gunman. He was the celebrity kind of gunman, yes. And not only that he was a celebrity, he was a businessman too. Yeah, as you hear, man, can't believe I'm criminal, a businessman, legitimate businessman, have contract and all of these things and a pay bill and that's how it was back then in the days. So, so that's the man who used to have the arrow on, so you can see back then, and a man dressed like that, and an ordinary man back in Jamaica, you understand? So, part 8 will be coming up shortly, so you watch, you listen, and you decide. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.